Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Hotmail account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Hotmail account, what you can do is just simply open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like. I would like to use my Chrome browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for login Hotmail. After searching for that, now you have to tap on this first option which says how to sign in into Hotmail. Tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, now you have to tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, if you have not already logged into your Hotmail account, it will ask you to enter your email and password. But I have logged into my Hotmail account, so it is not asking me to enter my email and password, but I'll show you how to add an email or an account on your Hotmail. So you just have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on sign in with a different account. And after tapping on that option, now you have to enter your email address, your phone number or Skype. After entering your email address, just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have to enter the password. After entering your password, you just have to tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Hotmail account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.